Given figure, this is the figure. Segment XY is parallel to AC, okay, of triangle ABC. It divides triangle into two parts of equal area, means this area equals to this area. So what is given in mathematical terms? XY parallel to AC, area of triangle BXY equals to area of quadrilateral XACY, right? Okay. What we want, AX upon AB equals to and AC upon AX, XY equals to, right? These two things we want. Okay, let's start. Let's start with first AX upon AB. So triangle BXY upon triangle BAC, BXY upon BAC equals to what? XB square upon AB square. Why? Because we have discussed this in our one of our earlier videos on the same topic. See here, if two triangles are similar, their areas will always be proportional to the square of the corresponding sides of those two triangles. Now there are three sides to any triangle, so they will be proportional to the squares of any of the corresponding sides. You take it this, any, but same corresponding. Okay, so that's why XB square upon AB square. Okay, but what is given then? It divides it into divide into two equal areas. So BXY upon BAC will be what? Half, right? Because these two are equal. So BAC is twice of BXY. So 1 upon 2 equals to XB square upon AB square. Therefore AB square equals to 2XB square. AB equals to root of 2XB, right? Square root. Therefore XB equals to AB upon root 2. Now what is AX? Why do we want AX? Because the question is of AX. That's why. So AX equals to what? AB minus XB, right? AB minus XB. So AB minus what is XB? AB by 2. AB by root 2. So AB upon root 2. Therefore solve this. You will get AB into root 2 minus 1 and this root 2 on the left hand side. So root 2 AX equals to AB into root 2 minus 1. But we want AX upon AB, right? AX upon AB. Therefore AX upon AB equals to root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, right? Solve this root 2 now, rationalize. So root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So this becomes 2 multiplied inside. So 2 minus root 2 upon 2, AX upon AB equals 2. So that is the answer. Answer can be this or anything can be given in the exam. Directly root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 can also be given. Whatever check is given, check that and tick accordingly. Next, what do we want? We want AC upon XY. Okay, AC upon XY. Okay, that is equal to what? AB upon XB, right? Because similarity of triangles, corresponding sides are, the ratio of the corresponding sides would be equal. But AB upon XB we have already found out. 2 upon 2 minus root 2. So solve this, rationalize it. So it becomes 2 upon 2 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 2 on both sides, numerator denominator. It becomes, denominator becomes 4 minus 2. A square A minus B into A plus B equals to A square minus B square. And 2 into 2 plus root 2. So solve it. 2 gone and 2 plus root 2 upon 1. That is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.